So after the handpieces have been cleaned in the Statmatic, remove them from the ports and then place them on the towel, and they're ready to be bagged for sterilization. Select the proper size bag for the item to be sterilized. And make sure you date the backs. Insert them into the bags. Peel and stick. And now they're ready to go into the sterilizers. So after the isolite attachment has been cleaned and rinsed and dried, it's inserted into a sterilization bag. And then is ready to go into the sterilizer. After the cycle is complete, open the door to the hydrome and remove all the cassettes. Cassettes will be cleaned and rinsed and dried and ready for wrapping. And then it's ready for another load. Now the drawers contain many different sizes of bags, so make sure that you select the bag that corresponds to the size of cassette that you're wrapping. The larger cassette bags are stored in the cupboard above. Okay, and so on. So finish wrapping up all of your cassettes and place them into the sterilizer. And if the sterilizers are full, then the cassettes go to the bottom of the trolley to hold until the sterilizers are finished, and then you can process another load. Impression trays that are used to restock the cassettes for impressions are not wrapped for sterilization. Items that cannot be sterilized in heat sterilization are then placed on the towel on the trolley or in sink 3. The lab pan, for instance, is going to be disinfected and put back at the front desk so that they can be recirculated. The impressions bowls are going to be disinfected and placed back into the impressions kit. The polish and fluoride kit will be disinfected on the outside and then will be replenished. And the drawers for replenishing have all the contents for this kit. The only thing you need to do with the light is just disinfect the outside. The Dental Dam and Sealants kit has the sealant syringes that need to be disinfected and put back in the baggie in the kit. And then the polish and fluoride kit simply needs to be disinfected on the outside, double check that the fluoride containers are full, and then recirculated at the front desk.